Now, if you Google the top 5 cryptocurrencies or the top 5 coins to buy now or best meme, no matter what it is, you're going to see a lot of sponsored content, as you can see right here. Crypto.com is trying to get into the game. You've got all of these, everybody's got their own opinion. And I will admit, this is my opinion, but we're going to be talking about the top 5 cryptocurrencies to buy now and hold into 2025. And I'm going to diversify it a little bit. We're not just going straight meme coins. We're not going, top tier market cap coins out there. But I do want to break it down a little bit in a little bit more of a diversified portfolio that you could actually hold throughout 2025. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and the first one that I want to jump into is going to be the riskiest one. This is Wall Street Pepe, and Wall Street Pepe has been soaring in demand. People are pouring into this faster than I have ever seen anybody pour into a meme coin. Now, Wall Street Pepe is building an elite trader group that you have to own this token if you want to have access to. They plan on having some of the best calls, some of the most degenerate calls, and some of the highest profit calls in the entire crypto industry. But if you just sit back and look at the demand for a second, $35,250,000 pouring into this coin in essentially the last 2 weeks. This is unheard of, and it speaks for itself. The amount of people willing to buy into this, the amount of people willing to pour $35 million in the last 2 weeks into this, if it just continues on until launch day, Wall Street Pepe is going to be a huge success. We're talking 2, 3, 4x gains on launch day alone. Imagine what it can do during the peak of a bull market in 2025. So I do want to add Wall Street Pepe to the list here. And if you guys are interested in buying it, there is a link in the description below. It's a safe and secure link. Very easy to go out there, buy with crypto, connect your wallet however you want, type the amount in. But this is going to be the riskiest asset, and this is going to be the one that provides you with the largest amount of gains in this 5 cryptocurrency portfolio that we're talking about here. Extremely excited about it, and I do believe that you're going to see some very nice returns. The next one that I want to talk about is Best Wallet. They've got an airdrop for people that are brand new to cryptocurrency. They've got highly recommended, points out on Google Play and the Apple App Store. This is a wallet that is already available, yet you can grab this token in pre-sale pricing stages. $5.4 million has been sold so far, and this truly is one of the best wallets that I have seen. It is extremely easy, the user interface is beautiful, and it does compete with larger wallets like Trust Wallet and MetaMask. So therefore, this is the next one that I want to talk about, because as this wallet grows, and as more and more people download the app, as more and more people use it, think of it almost like a cryptocurrency exchange. The more people that use Crypto.com, the better Kronos is. The more people that use Binance, the better BNB. And the more people that use Coinbase, obviously that stock is going to rise. So if people begin to flock towards Best Wallet, whether or not they use the pre-sale aggregator and all of these features and exclusive benefits that you get from being a Best Wallet holder, the more people that use Best Wallet, the more I believe this token should appreciate in value. So as the bull market hits and people are out there Googling, what is the best cryptocurrency wallet? What is the best wallet? I don't think you could have named this any better. This one is going to show up in the search results, and people will download it. They will use it, they will like it, and the token should appreciate in value. So definitely the second one that I'm adding to the list. Now the next 3 are a little less or a little bit more conservative and a little less risky, because these 2, they're still in very early stages and provide huge reward potential. Now, we've got to offset that risk a little bit. We take some risks, we earn some huge rewards, and then we level it off. So what do I truly believe is going to be happening during this bull market? We've got a cryptocurrency market that is just starting to tick back up, but everybody is focused on memes. Now, how could we go out there and invest essentially in meme coins or invest in the demand for these meme coins without going out and just picking up very volatile memes, very risky memes? We could look at the blockchains that these memes are built on. And I want to show you Ethereum. You guys have heard of this one, obviously. It's the second largest cryptocurrency in the world. But I believe Ethereum memes will explode during this upcoming market. You're going to have Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, Pepe, all of these major meme coins that are now household names ripping higher. And the only way that you can access them is on the Ethereum blockchain. Therefore, I don't expect Ethereum to go out there and 100x or 20x or 50x like a lot of the meme coins could. But I do expect Ethereum to grow as demand rises, as the gas fees explode, as people need Ethereum to buy these memes. It's going to drive demand. Now, the same holds true for the next coin that I want to talk about, and it's Solana. Solana has been doing an excellent job, and this is a daily graph, and as you can see, moving nicely higher. Long, steady gains, and I believe that these are going to extend into 2025. Solana is going to be perhaps the largest meme coin blockchain in the entire world during this upcoming bull market. You're going to need Solana to trade some of the best gainers. Now, a lot of the Ethereum memes are already saturated. How much higher can we take Shiba Inu coin? How much higher can you go out and take Pepe? How much higher can you really take these Ethereum memes? And that therefore limits the exposure. But a lot of the Solana memes, they're still sitting on $10 million market caps. A lot of the Solana memes are still sitting on $100 million market cap. Some of the best Solana memes have a $2 billion market cap. So if we think about it, we could explode. And as these Solana memes explode, and as more and more people demand Solana in their wallets, I believe that this is going to continue growing nicely throughout 2025. And finally, I want to talk about Tron. Tron is the next one that I would add to my portfolio to hold throughout 2025, and the reasons are very similar. Tron had an explosion in meme coins with Justin Sun's Sun Pump. And Sun Pump, very similar to Pump.fun, you can create your meme coins, you can trade your meme coins. And just the same as we saw in 2021, a major focus on Ethereum memes, and then a shift to cheaper Solana memes, I do believe, and this is a little bit more speculative, but I do believe that we could see some Tron meme coins soaring in this upcoming bull market. And as people see the next shiny thing, they're going to go over and move towards that. And as people understand that the Tron network is growing, and it's still essentially 1/4 the size of the Solana network, or I believe 1/20th the size of Ethereum, could be a little off on those numbers there, but I believe around a $20 billion valuation on Tron could easily 5-10x in value in the upcoming bull market and throughout 2025. So this one has a little bit more gain potential in my opinion than something like a Solana or an Ethereum, but it goes for the same reasons. Demand. People will demand this token. And as you can see, a beautiful graph with a huge extreme spike. Obviously some profit taking, and that is what you would expect when you go from 20 cents to 45 cents in a one-day period. Tron, Solana, Ethereum, best wallet, so that you can take advantage of a growing wallet in a growing bull market. And of course, the riskiest but the highest reward of them all, Wall Street Pepe. I am buying into all of these tokens. I am setting up for extreme success in 2025. I want to know if you guys are doing the same thing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.